good,
superb,
bad,
awful,
big,
massive,
small,
negligible,
like,
adore,
need,
require,
help,
assist,
say,
declare,
think,
presume,
get,
obtain,
make,
construct,
show,
exhibit,
start,
commence,
finish,
conclude,
buy,
purchase,
tell,
inform,
ask,
request,
try,
attempt,
use,
utilize,
big,
massive,
like,
adore,
need,
require,